Welcome to another vlog. This is Twinkle, currently living in Manila, an ordinary working professional obsessing with everything neat and nice. And at around 30 years, I decided to document parts of my life, wishing you'd be inspired to continue living your life to its fullest. So I've been a fan of Sunnies since day zero. So when I found out that they have another product to be launched and it's actually a flask, nawindang ako. I hurriedly researched saan ito pwedeng i-purchase. Actually, it's been months since I started looking for a tumbler or a flask, but for some reason, hindi ako makakita. It's either I think it's too expensive for me to have or hoping na meron pang ibang colors na available next time. SKL, my brother is actually using clean canteen na galing pa daw sa baon niya at inipon niya pa para makabili. But for me, even if working na ako, for some reason, parang ayoko pa siyang bilhin. Yes, it's giving repot and me. So, when I found out nga that there's a flask made by Sunnies to be released soon, I marked the calendar. Alam ko na magkakaroon na ako ng bagong flask. Lesson learned for me here is, good things come to those who wait. Haha. Upon entering, since it's opening, madami pa talagang tao here. You may actually check out the available colors and choose from there. I highly recommend that you kind of choose the combinations that you want in their website first before going there kung ayaw nyo ma-overwhelm pagdating nito. For the basics, you will be needing to choose the bottle, bevel cap that is cute and ergonomic, basically yung takip, the loop so you may effortlessly bring them anywhere, and lastly, it's optional, but keeping any stuff of mine in good shape or status is not an option. Gusto ko parang lagi silang bago. So, I will really get this boot to protect my flask. So, ito yung nasa ilalim. Thank you, Sunnies, for designing this double-walled insulated water bottle made of stainless steel. As you may call it, to make hydration a more enjoyable experience. So here's the final look for my flask. Mochi for the bevel cap, buttermilk for the bottle, ganache for the loop, and gulaman for the boot.
Goes after some news.
Same day, I purchased a new phone from Power Mac in Makati. So I'm happy, though the kuripot and me was still hesitating to buy it first, but eventually I gave in. I convinced myself that I needed this for work and now for vlogging. And yeah, my old phone is so mabagal talaga, though I'm still using it pa rin naman up until now.
sick of waiting for the right word to come to me. Feels like I'm wasting time away. takes off her golden crown that no one's meant to see. There's nobody else underneath. It's not that I feel ashamed, it's just anxiety. It's got the best of me. A ladder with 1,000 rungs. Well, I never claimed to know how it ought to be, but that don't mean I ain't got thoughts. But when the sun comes down, she takes off her golden crown that no one's meant to see. There's nobody else underneath.
Yay!
For those who are looking out for their health this 2024, I'd like you to try the smoothies and cubes that I got recently so addicted to. Nakita ko lang sila sa IG. Just the background, we've been drinking smoothies since I was in college. Yung mama ko actually started making smoothies when my auntie got sick, unfortunately. To help her recover, yan, our mama started making smoothies not only for her, but for us na rin. Very weird nga yung mga ginawa niya eh. Like, ampalaya with papaya and some other veggies na grabe. Ang pait talaga. But then, it grew on us. Parang wala na lang sa amin. Masarap na siya. And then, na-adapt na namin yun. So, ever since, gawa na kami ng gawa. Well, so ngayon, since I'm not living with them anymore, I am happy that I found this. Greens and Beyond. Kasi very similar siya sa mga ginawa ng mama ko before. Ngayon na wala pa akong blender, I buy from them. So if you're interested, check their IG page below. Hey! And basically, that's life lately. For the last part of this vlog, here's my recent life realization. I am really grateful for what I have. It's not perfect, it's kind of far from what I envisioned of my 30-year-old something self, but I think I'm getting there. I think I am happy walking and navigating the path the universe or God has created and led me. If ever I feel low and not happy, finding myself asking why I am experiencing some downs in my life, I'd always go back to the pandemic days where I think is one of the lowest points of my life. And then I compare it with my situation now. All of a sudden, I realized that I am far much better off now than that point. So yun, nagiging much more grateful ako and I am more inspired to improve in all aspects. Much more encouraged to leave all the bad stuff and look forward to my next blessings. We all have our own types of journey, problems, milestones, and the likes, all combined. Pero, well, life goes on, and wabi sabi. So, it's actually a Japanese philosophy or adage, which says, practice acceptance of your imperfections and those of others. So I'm so excited to do life more. I survived my 20s, which made me capable of surviving life in 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. And yes, praying until 80. So see you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching.